Hey everyone, I'm Selena from Rick's Review Hub. Tired of mowing your lawn? Let's talk about the LUBA 2 AWD 3000X Robot Lawn Mower, a game changer for effortless yard care. This high-tech mower promises to keep your lawn pristine without you lifting a finger. Stick around as we dive into its features, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's right for you. Let's get started. First, what makes the LUBA 2 AWD 3000X so cool? This wire-free mower uses UltraSense AI vision and RTK navigation to map your lawn up to 0.89 acres with no boundary wires needed. It handles steep slopes up to 80%, that's 38 degrees. The all-wheel drive system and omnidirectional wheels tackle rough terrain, potholes, and tall grass like a champ. It offers a 1.0 to 2.7-inch cutting height, adjustable via the Mammotion app, which lets you set schedules, zones, and even cool mowing patterns like checkerboard or diamond grid. With 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you can control it anywhere, and it has smart obstacle avoidance for over 200 objects plus GPS anti-theft features. The 400mm dual cutting discs ensure a clean, even cut. Now, the pros? The 4K video clarity and auto-tracking are incredible for monitoring large or complex yards. It's super quiet so you can mow day or night without bugging the neighbors. The wire-free setup is a breeze compared to older models, and it handles slopes and obstacles like a pro. No subscription fees for storage is a big win, and the battery lasts hours, covering 3,000 square meters daily. Users love the neat stripes it leaves behind, but there are some cons. The setup can be tricky if your RTK antenna isn't in a clear spot, like on your roof for best signal. The app isn't perfect and may lag or need updates. It's pricey, around $2,100, so it's a big investment compared to basic mowers. Some users report spotty customer service, so be prepared for that. Who's this for? If you've got a large, sloped, or complex lawn and hate mowing, the LUBA 2 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for tech-savvy homeowners who want a low-maintenance, high-performance mower. Ready to ditch the push mower? Check the link in the description to grab the LUBA 2 AWD 3000X on Amazon for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.